Hello subscribers and hello YouTube viewers. Today we're off to Lyonville, which is a rural township 80 kilometres or 49.7 miles northwest of Melbourne, and it should take you approximately 1 hour and 25 minutes to get here. Okay, some now facts and figures for Lyonville. In 2016 census, Lyonville had a population of 175 people. The post office opened on the 15th of May 1882 and unfortunately closed in 1993. Rumour has it that the Daylesford Spa Country Railway tourist railway is planning extensions of the track to Lyonville in the future. Lyonville Railway Station existed from 1880 until its closure in 1978. Now, Lyonville had extensive forest resources for sawmilling and rich soil for agriculture and general farming. The area attracted small farmers, timber splitters, and a sawmill proprietor in the 1860s, and his name was James Lyon, who owned the sawmill in the area and the township named after. I just wanted to point out at this stage, the reason the camera behind me as I'm going along shakes, unfortunately the selfie stick, so to speak, was attached to one part, but the actual arm was rubbing against the chassis of the motorbike, thus causing vibration that threw my camera out a few times. But nonetheless, we will soldier on. So as we make our way through the countryside, our first port of call will be the Lyonville Mineral Springs, which is not too far away. So here we are, we have arrived to the Lyonville Mineral Spring, which was discovered in 1912 and a reserve was established in 1914. Construction of the pit followed soon after. The pit walls were constructed using local rock and most likely bound together with a lime cement mix. Mineral water flowed into the pit through the gravity-fed pipe, and for much of the year the mineral water outlet was flooded due to the base of the pit being lower than the nearby London River, which I didn't know. So there you go. So here we are coming up. There's now a new pump to the left there, and this is where people used to gather and get their mineral water from in the past. Obviously it became unsafe with health and safety and all that sort of stuff, and kids, they've had to pretty much close off this whole area, but you can still access the water to the left of this to where the pump is. So as you can see, there are plenty of picnic tables, there are barbecue pits, and there's also fire pits. There's also public toilets at the very end, and that's where I'll fly to with the drone. Very popular with the locals from what I've heard, and they will come here just to get the mineral water and take it home with them. So if you are coming out this way, don't forget to bring some sort of empty container to collect your mineral water. I've included two photographs that I found in the State Library of Victoria's archives that were dated in 1915 as a comparison between then and now. Our next destination will be an abandoned school and the centre of the universe. Now I'm just about to ride past the school on the left, but we'll come back to it with the drone. And here we are now parking up at the Royal Springs Hotel. And you'll just notice there on the left, they have the Tesla charging station. So if you've got an electric car, by all means, come here, have some lunch, you can charge up your car at the same time. So we'll get the drone now flying from the centre of the universe as our takeoff point. We'll head down to the school first. as we make our way to the school, just a bit of facts. In 1877, James Lyon, the guy who was the proprietor of the sawmill, organised the opening of the school for the kids of settlers and his actual workers, in other words, the mill hands. Its early name was Lyon's Steam Sawmill School. Later, it was used for school camps, but that hasn't happened for many years and was advertised for sale in 2014. Now you'll see what looks like aircraft hangars. They're not, they're obviously just extremely small portable classrooms. And they came into effect after the Second World War, according to the hotel proprietor that we spoke to. So here we have some locals taking their pet llamas or alpacas, I'm not sure what they told me they were, for a bit of a stroll, which was lovely to see. So here we are at our last destination, the Radio Springs Hotel. And this place has everything for that rural retreat or city getaway, with live music, great food and accommodation if you want to stay the night. I can't forget to mention that they also have a public cinema out the back and quite a unique garden also. Now the hotel is truly in the middle of nowhere. I think it's one of the best kept secrets in the region and would make an ideal venue for motorcycle or car clubs to make their date with. Noting that they also have, as mentioned earlier, a Tesla charging station. I will place the hotel's website on the screen and also in a description. So if you don't write it down, don't panic. Just go to the description and I'll put a link there. So here we are, coming to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, please subscribe, please give us a thumbs up, and once again, stay safe, commute safe, have a great day, and see you on the next one. Bye for now.